Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to fund Coinbase Wallet. Now, if you're looking to fund your Coinbase Wallet with cryptocurrency, the best way to get this done is to use the direct buy option at the top left to simply click on the buy. So once you've clicked on the buy option, you'll be met with your local currency and the cryptocurrency you wish to buy and the service provider. So in this tutorial video, the service provider is Alchemy Pay. So we're going to be buying cryptocurrency using Alchemy Pay. Now, if you were to click to continue to payment and select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, let's go with USDT. Click on continue to payment and you'll be taken or redirected out of the Coinbase wallet into Alchemy Pay. So click on continue. All right, guys. So once the Alchemy Pay site is opened up, this site serves as a provider for those looking to buy cryptocurrency using their native currency. As you can see here, there are a list of currencies you could simply tap and select the currency of your choice. Most of the time, the native currency is automatically chosen based on your location. So now in this video, I'll be showing you how to buy the cryptocurrency directly with your local currency. So once you've entered the amount of crypto you wish to buy, let's say $70 worth of USDT or 70 USDT tokens, click on proceed to buy USDT, enter your email address, click on proceed. And once you've selected the proceed option, you'd be asked to put in a verification code. And once the verification code has been entered, you're met with your payment method. Now you're meant to choose between a card payment or a Google Pay option. So guys, once you've selected the card payment or the card option as your means of payment, click on card, enter your card details, and once you've entered the card details, you can confirm and proceed to buy using your credit card. So guys, another option of getting yourself some cryptocurrency is when you click on the receive icon, you could easily receive your cryptocurrency, be it USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Litecoin, or any cryptocurrency of your choice by just copying your wallet address or scanning your QR codes, and the tokens would be deposited. That's another option of funding your account. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.